Yes, this is a LTB Light team member, Premier Coach, Amen. Reaching you live at this particular moment. There's a reason why you're here, so remain here. Matt is leading the way. Today is 311. Uh, the 311th day in our journey before our people, using Matt to elevate their life, upgrade their life, uplift their life. Uh, the rubbles that we have become, the ruins that the great pyramids have become, our own father's house, our own father's model has become, raising it bit by bit and step by step. You're right here, not by accident, but by the divine intervention in your life. Maybe this is your prayers answered. Maybe somebody pushed this to you, somebody sent you this very video. Well, in a minute, you will understand why. But before you do that, the math that will balance our life is to again realize our position. Are we strangers here on earth? Are we strangers in our own skin? Are we strangers in our own land? Are we strangers before the pharaohs? Are we strangers before civilization? Are we strangers before math? No, far from it. You see, what happened is powerfully the destroyer came, and partakers in the kingdom today became adopted sons. You see, in ancient Egypt, people from all over the world will come in. People from all over the world will come in. You're blessed. You're so blessed. When you come in, you see, the pharaohs are so blessed with compassion. They are so blessed with kind heart. Contrary to what history tells you. You see, for you to adopt somebody and make him your own son, for you to adopt somebody and make him your own son, you are not just a human being, you are a human being. How many people can do that today? You see, where a civilization uh, was such that not even a single war was recorded in their hands. You see, that is a great civilization indeed. They did not kill you in your millions. They did not kill anybody in their millions. No history of that. But rather, we had a history of inventions, investments, great things being done. People being asked to, be hardworking in their life. You see, who is telling you that your ancestors belabored them, used them? Were they made useless? Were they not made useful? But today, you're not only belabored, you're overlabored. Not only are you overlabored, you're made useless. You're being used and made useless. Contrary to the back in the days. You see, the essence of this very message is to bring you back into the kingdom. But how? But before I do that, again, I introduce myself, LTB Light Coach Premier, Coach MM, speaking to you. The purpose for you being here is for us to do the needful right now. What is urgent for us to do? You see, follow the link below or at the end of this very video. Reconnect back to your roots. Like a tree disconnected from its roots, it's going to die, it's bound to die. But once you reconnect back to your truth, you realize who you are. You're not a stranger here. Okay, you are a citizen of this very earth. You would know exactly what air knows, you know it. What M knows, you're going to know it. If M knows how Moses transformed a staff, Moses, an adopted son, knows how to transform a staff into a serpent. You owe it to yourself, to your own children, to all your own generation, not to live in ignorance again, not to live in darkness again. You owe it to yourself to become a citizen of this very earth. We're welcoming you as a citizen. Once you get this very knowledge, once you know how Moses did it, you are now a citizen. Okay? Today is 311th day in our journey. As you can see, as you can attest, something different has reached your life today. You will no longer be the same. Even if you go away, you still come back. When you're plagued down, you still come back. You see, we are providing the antidote against the plagues. And we are providing the antidote, the anti-venom against poverty, which has struck the owners, the blessed citizens of this very earth, which you have won. Okay? So wherever you are, whether you are in India, Pakistan, Ghana, Africa, South Africa, wherever you are, we made it easy. Download the LTB Light plan and begin to push it. the plan of civilization for all humanity, such that none poor will be found in our own land, such that none unhealthy will be found in our own land. Do be well, my friend, and be back here again tomorrow, which is 312 today. And remember, this very movement is for 1001 day. We are doing it in broad daylight. We choose to use our staff and exercise it right here before your eyes, not behind any altar, not behind inside any dark temple, but right here. Not leading our own people back into the bush, but leading them forward ahead of the century. Okay, thank you, and do be well. Coach Emin signing off right now. See you again in our next exercise. Bye.